How to use Snapchat on computer. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can use Snapchat on computer. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, Snapchat is also available for desktop and laptop users. You can simply open up your browser and instead of using the app, you can simply actually go to web.snapchat.com. So this is the official site now where you can actually use Snapchat for web. Now it'll update it if it is not already updated recently. So let it wait for once it's done the update process. After that, if once it has updated the web version of Snapchat, it will ask you to go ahead and then basically log into your Snapchat account if you haven't already done so. And once you log into your Snapchat account, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically log in and use Snapchat right from your browser. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.